Matariki for me is a time for us to be able to celebrate kapohaka and all the other types of performing arts that we have. So I'm excited that we've got 10 teams here today who are all showcasing 10 different styles of Māori performing arts. It's called a power set, and we're aiming it at the Y generation, the quick information generation, the generation of YouTube, the generation of Facebook, where everything is like this now.
For us, it brings back history to our culture.
The group as a whole, we kind of all came from like different kind of aspects of performing arts. Like some people kind of came from acting, some were dancers, some were just Māori performing artists.
It was dynamically dynamic.